All right, so for this activity, I'm going to place a bolster under my targeted side. So like in this case, we got a situation where we're focusing on sort of this part of your rib, okay? And so we're gonna take the towel and we're gonna put it there. And then I'm just gonna straighten my legs out here. A little awkward. And I just want to start by just relaxing into the towel. I want to try to let my rib just relax into that position and just let it sink in. Okay, you can take a breath or two. With each breath, you should feel like it relaxes into the towel. There should be no space between your rib and the towel or your rib and the floor. All right, so from here, again, making sure there's space between my shoulder and the block, I'm going to just breathe in and roll forward. And exhale and roll back. So again, very, very little tension, if any, in my hip as I do this. As I roll my hip forward, you also feel your rib cage. Just roll gently over the towel. Perform anywhere from 10 to 15 reps. And make sure the reps are relaxed. There is no tension, and that's it.